Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure you have local admin rights and a clear list of sites showing air network access denied. Next, disable third-party antivirus or firewall briefly. This isolates blocking software. Once done, open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/flushtons, then netch winsock reset, reboot immediately. These steps clear DNS and socket layer corruption, which often causes the error. Do this now, so subsequent checks act on a clean network state and won't be skewed by cached failures. Once the basics are reset, inspect proxy and browser behavior to find the culprit. Go to Settings Network Proxy and disable any unexpected manual proxy. Misconfigured proxies cause access denied responses. Then, try a different browser and create a fresh browser profile to rule out extensions or profile corruption. Make sure Windows firewall rules aren't blocking the app. Review inbound and outbound rules for the browser or service. These checks separate system-wide blocks from per-app or per-browser problems, so you know where to focus repairs. Finish by addressing lower-level and third-party network layers. Update or roll back the network adapter driver and device manager, since driver bugs can trigger access denials. Disconnect any VPN and test. If the VPN client caused the issue, reinstall or change its settings. Finally, create a new Windows user and test there. This isolates user profile firewall or policy blocks. Troubleshooting tip: if the issue persists, run Windows Network Diagnostics and capture logs. They reveal permission or driver failures to target the exact fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.